everybody, welcome to the unopening of all the bits and pieces that we bought at the Kensington Dolls House Festival Christmas show yesterday. We had a great day, it was lovely, we enjoyed every minute of it. And hi Linda, thanks for coming up and saying hello to us. It was really nice to meet you. Sorry we didn't have a longer conversation or have time for a longer conversation, but next time maybe we can stop and meet you and have a cup of tea and have a longer chat. But it was really nice to meet you, thank you very much. And I'll get on with opening our bits and pieces. First of all, we bought this brick pattern paper here. I suppose it can either be used for cobblestones or it can be used on a brick wall of sorts. But that was quite nice. And the next one we bought was like I suppose it's like a tile. Like it can either be flooring tile, I suppose, or it can be inside or outside. So right, that's that one. And then we went on and bought it's called a Mediterranean tile pattern, which we thought was quite nice, and that one's embossed, so it's raised up a little bit. So that was only £3 something, I think. It was quite nice, a sheet. So yeah, that'd be nice to use in the houses. Okay, we'll go on to the first bag. And in the first bag, I think mostly it's some Christmas decorations that I bought for my log cabin. First of all, I bought myself a Christmas tree, which I thought was quite cute. Quite like that. And then I bought some decorations for it, which I'll show you. In this bag here, we've got a little wreath for my front door. And then I shall put some other bits and pieces on there, I think. I think I'll make some other bits and pieces for it, because it looks a bit bare at the minute. And then I bought some tinsel for my tree. I bought a silver one and a red one. And then I bought some pipe cleaners, the same tinsel-y colours, red and silver, so I can make some more decorations out of those. And then I've got 2 lots of baubles there for my tree. One silver and one red to match the tinsel. So they're quite cute. And then I bought a little star to go on top of my tree. Oh, dropped it, hold on. There we are, there's my little star. And that will sit on top of my tree, just like that. I was quite pleased with those, I like those. I will, once I've finished, I will lay everything out and you can pan over it and you have another look at everything that we've bought. Let's go on to the next bag. Right, in this bag I got a little basket, little woven basket there. That's that one. And then I got a little tray there. Well, I should put some vegetables and that in. I'll make some vegetables out of polymer clay and I'll fill that up with vegetables. A little wooden bowl. It's there. And some serving trays. Yeah. Some little serving trays here I bought for my Christmas dinner. So they'll put my food on quite nicely. That's those ones. Okay, the next bag. Oh, this is the bag. They gave us some free bits and pieces. I don't know what's in it. I haven't had a look yet, but let's see what we got. Some little freebies, which is always nice, isn't it? Oh, got a candy cane. I should eat that later. Oh, I'm rich. Got a chocolate gold coin. That's nice. What else have I got in there? Oh, bit of tissue paper. Oh, Got a little dome there, if we can put a plant in there or something. That's quite sweet. Like that. Nice little dome. We've got a sun hat. Not that the sun's going to come out just lately, but a little hat there. Oh, little cup and saucer. What's that? Oh, it's a little kitten. Little kitten there. It's cute. I know these are in the plastic, but I will take them out the plastic and I'll put everything out so you can see everything properly afterwards. Let's see what else we've got in here. Oh, a little tray. That's handy. They always come in handy, don't they? A little tray there. We've got quite a lot of nice little freebies here. Oh, there's a little teapot there to match the cup and saucer. That's quite cute. I don't know whether you can see that. But I will, as I say, put them out later and after I've done, and then you can have a look over. What's this? Oh, one of my favourites. Look, I've got a little garden gnome. He'll go nice in my garden. He's been fishing, but he hasn't got a fishing rod, so I'll have to make him one. He's got a little fish on the box next to him, so I'm going to make him a little fishing rod. Yeah, I hope you can see him there. I do like gnomes. Call me strange, but hey. Oh my gosh. There's a big old fish, look. Little fish in there, look. Little fish there. I might put him in a box and put some glass over the front and mount him up on the wall. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? Little fish. What else have we got in there? Oh my gosh. I've got 2 bottles. Right, let me just put them in my hand so you can see them. 2 bottles there. Oh, a bunch of daisies. They're pretty. I do like those. A bunch of flowers there. 2 Christmas presents to go under my tree. That's handy. I shall make some more. What else have we got in there? Little bits and pieces. Hold on. If I put these on the tray, you might be able to see them. There's a little apple and an orange and a pear and a slice of melon, slice of cake, doing well, and a baguette. I just hold them up to the camera there. I don't know whether you can see them. Hopefully you can see them quite well. It's quite cute. Pop them down there. I've got a little crucifix and a little chopping board. And that's the 3 bits and pieces that we got given in that bag. That was nice, wasn't it? They're all quite useful pieces, so we'll carry on with the next bag. I'll pop those in there for a minute. Right, going on to the next bag. Oh yeah, forgot I bought those. Yeah. What I bought here is I bought some trellises for my log cabin to go up on the outside of my log cabin, and I think what I'll do is I'll put some climbing plants up there, so that'll be nice. I've got two small ones and I got 2 larger ones just there. Got 2 of each, so I don't know whether I use them all, but I might put a couple up against the log cabin and do some climbing plants up there, maybe some clematis or something. We'll see. But I think that'll look quite nice with those up there. So that's those what I bought. And then, oh, the other thing, yeah. What we bought is, we bought loads of chair legs and doorknobs and knockers and stuff like that. I'm not going to show them all to you because they all like, obviously it's going to be a little bit boring with all those, but we bought quite a few of those. And primarily that's what we wanted to get up there. Yeah, door knockers and latches. And we bought some taps as well. Mix a tap there. But yeah, that's all those. Just they're just all knobs and knockers and stuff. So I'll put them to one side for a minute and we'll carry on with the next bag. Let's have a look. Oh yeah. What's in here? Oh yeah. My husband bought some rugs for his Art Deco house, which we thought they were quite nice. They're lovely. They're like soft velvet. They're really nice. So we've got that one, which is a nice green one there, and we got that patterned one there. Put that over there. That pattern one there, and then we got that one there. I thought they were nice. They were nice rugs. Very soft. Very nice. That's the rugs there. And then what we've got in there. Oh yeah. Bought a couple of guard dogs. Bought two little guard dogs, just like our dog. So I thought that'd be nice for the bloke who lives in the log cabin to have a nice guard dog out the front, or nice pet, because we can't have a house without a pet. Duke, Duke, come here, come here. Duke, come here. Duke, come here. Come on, what's this? What's this? See, look, we bought them just to match our dog. Come here, good boy. Good boy. What's this? What's this? See our two dogs. This is my baby. He's a good boy. Look, there's one like you. Hey, Teddy. Oh, they're my two boys. There we are. There, we've got to have a pet, haven't you? He's a good boy. You can't have him, he's not your baby. That's it. We'll put them over there. There's a good boy. There we are. There's a good boy. You're a good boy. Yes, I know. You're being nosy now, hey? And then I bought a nice kennel for my dog. There. The lid comes off, look. And so I can put a little blanket in there. That'll sit outside my log cabin quite nicely for my dog. What else did we get? Trying to get through all this for you. Oh yeah, we bought some bits of furniture here, which I thought were quite lovely. But my husband said he might not use them because he likes to make his own furniture. But these are quite sweet. Little cabinet there, and it's got glass in the doors. And that one's quite sweet. And then another one here, which is more of a glass cabinet. And it's got a mirror in the back of this one. And I'll open the door for you. Mirror in the door there. I mean a glass door there and glass shelves there. So that looked quite nice with some bits in it with the glass at the back. And I like the antique legs there. That's nice. There's that one. And then we got and a nice bookshelf there we've got. That will take some books, I expect. but it can have a few plant pots and stuff on it as well. But that's nice. Nice bookshelf there. And this one's my husband's favourite. He does like this one because of the different shape, I suppose. It came with the little door handles and bits there, and the door, I think if I can get them open, the door's open. There we are. Door's open on there. That's quite a nice cabinet, isn't it? So a bit more detail in that one, I think. Yeah, and that's all our purchases from the Kensington Dolls House Festival. Hope you enjoyed watching this unwrapping, and I'm going to enjoy making things with all this stuff. So yeah, please join me. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to set all this out on the table so that we can pan over it and you can have a good look at it all. And yeah, I'll be back to you in just a moment. Right, as you can see, I've laid everything out now for you, so you can see them all a little bit better. I know it's difficult when I'm holding them in my hand. So I've laid them all out on some white card so you can have a closer look. Enjoy having a look over the things that we bought at the Kensington Dolls House Festival. And I'll let you just have a browse, and I'll speak to you very soon. Don't forget to like and press that subscribe button. And we'd love to have you all join us. So yeah, don't forget, join me soon where I'll be carrying on with my log cabin, and I look forward to hearing from you if you'd like to make a comment. So please join us. Thanks very much, and I'll speak to you very soon. Goodbye.